Hi guys! Kumusta? So today I'm going to share this situation that I recently encountered on one of my flights. So ang nahitabo manggod kay I went through sa emergency exit kay palanding na lagi ang eroplano. Ako yung buhaton is i-make sure na ako nga walay mga bag, walay mga loose items, especially sa emergency exit. So ang nahitabo na ako nakita ang usa ka pasahero, wa niya gisuot iyang sapatos. So nahimo siya loose item. So akong gingnan nga ma'am, palihog og suot sa sapatos kay palanding na ta kay naapog ka sa emergency exit. Human ang iyang tapad nga babayi, giingnan ako, "Hi ma'am, kani sa imong bag ato ning ibutang sa overhead bin." Kani siya ning react tayo, "Why? Why not? This was allowed to me." Hun ko nga, "It's a bag, ma'am. We need to stow it in the overhead bin." Sus, ang nahitabo kay ning taas man niyang tingog, mura siyag nasuko, nga mura siyag, "No, why? This was allowed to me. Why are you taking this from me?" Ko nga, "It's a loose item. It's a bag. All the bags, especially at the emergency exit, is we have to place in the overhead bin." Human, wala gid siya nag-comply. Very argumentative, ang tingog bitaw niya kay murag nasuko gid siya. Di siya ganahan nga ibutang ang iyang bag sa overhead bin. Man kabalo ko nga iyang bag Hermes. Kanang Hermes ba nga body bag? Siguro nga ibutang lang gud nato kay dali raman kay na-secure naman gud almost ang area gud kay murag dito na lang gid nga part kay makita gyud nimo nga murag wa gid siya, murag dili gyud ka mabuhi pag moagi ka dito nga dalan. Anyway, part man gud siya sa responsibility nga all items, especially sa emergency exit, it is dapat mabutang gud siya sa overhead bin, especially for takeoff and landing. Man wala gud siya, nagsinggit na siya. "You go back." "No, I'm not giving the bag." Ko nga, "Ma'am, we only have few minutes to land and I need to pass the check to the captain." "You go tell the captain. You go tell the captain." Ambot lang pud ning bayhana kay medyo rude gyud siya, murag dili siya happy sa iyang kinabuhi. The way her approach is, rude gyud siya. Human ana pa siya kalit sa ako ang, "I've been flying a lot. You know, I'm a frequent flyer." Inko kalit nga, "Yes, I understand." So, lami kay mo tubag ba sa ako una inko nga, "So if you've been flying a lot, you should know we shouldn't have this conversation." Kay nga no, frequent traveler naman ka. So dapat kabalo ka. Ana pa siya kalit sa kanya, "No, I'm not giving it to you. No, I'm not giving it to you." Mura siya Karen bitaw ang dating niya. Mura siya Karen. Pasalamat lang gyud ding bahanan nga na ako sa trabaho kay kung wala ako sa trabaho, kung naka-normal lang ko, lami kay siya tubagon. Lami gyud kay siya tubagon. Anyway, so ning ato ko sa kauban ako, gingnan ako, who allowed this? Why I was not informed about the situation? This could have been done and sorted from the very beginning kung na-communicate ni siya sa tanan. So, I don't have time to discuss that matter at that point in time. Kay palanding na lagi. Kay murag gamay na lang minuto ba? So, ning balik ko, "Hi ma'am, just a small favor. Just really this time, let's keep the bags up." Diba? Besides, so, unsay sulod sa imong bag, di naman na makawat. Excuse me, wa na yung mahitabuan na nga naa ka sa emergency exit. Kaya palanding naman po. Besides, pag maglanding, kuhaon imong bag, okay ra, safe ka. Simple ra ba? Just comply, cooperate. Or, shall I say, be kind. Diba? Wala gyud siya. She was really hard-headed. And at the end of that, pag ato na ko dito balik, ning ato nang kauban akong katrabaho, ano siya galit nga, "Hi papi, we only have few minutes to land." Sabi ko, "No, you go back. You go back. You move back." Ana siya galit sa kwawa. "You go back." I step back. Human, ana siya galit. "I'm giving my bag to her and not to you. You don't touch my bag. You do not touch my bag." Ana gyud siya kalit sa ako, "You do not touch my bag." In my mind, lami kaingon nga, what's in your bag? Diba? What's the point? Nga nang manghikap ko sa imong bag. So, gihatag niya ang bag dito sa babayi. Human, butang na mo sa overhead bin. Human, ko kalit nga, let's go, let's keep it up." "No, if you don't move back, I'm not going to put the bag up." Human na, timing po to nga naabot bang babayi. So, ana siya, "No, I'm giving my bag to her, not to you. You do not touch my bag." Ana man siya kalit sa ko nga, "You go back and I will put the bag." Inko nga, "Okay, let's go. Yala, let's go." Humaning react pag yun siya, "What? Yala? 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 You know what's yala?" Inko nga, "Yala, it means let's go. Let's put it out." Diba? Simple. Manag-react pag yun siya ato. Murag dagan kaya siya paagi nga murag she just wants to create a mess, stress sa situation. I did not understand nga nung ato iyang reaction. Siguro okay lang unta nga masort ang problem dali-dali kung napay time. Kaso very time constraint man gud kay kailangan na lagi magpass kay palanding na gyud. It's a big problem. It's very simple. ang kani siya nga situation, it's a very stressful situation. Kay, as part of our responsibility is safety, clear ang emergency exit sa mga bags o mga loose items. Pagkauman, kung frequent traveler ka, see, if you're watching this video, I just want to let you know that you have been really, really difficult. If there's a way siguro to block this kind of passengers or people sa aeroplano, I wish this could happen. Kasi you have been very difficult in terms of safety. I do not understand your point na you're telling me that you're a frequent traveler. Then if you're a frequent traveler, it's simple, just comply. If it's not my job and responsibility to take care of the area, to keep the items, the area clear of baggage and loose items, I would not do it. Besides, you're seated at the emergency exit. You've been advised and informed that all items should be placed in the overhead bin. Naapod siya sa instructions sa safety card. So you have been very, very difficult. And just to let you know, your bag, your Hermes bag, whatever bag you have right now, either LV, Birkin, or Kelly, it would not save lives. It would not save lives. You were very stressful, and I hope one day you'll get to learn and appreciate the importance of us working and ensuring the safety of the flight. And whatever would that be, and maybe you're not happy in your life, just keep that bitterness because it's not good. It's really not good. You have been very difficult, and as a frequent traveler, I hope one day you'll understand the importance of safety. And lastly, maot kay kag batasan. Maot kay kag batasan. You are very rude, disrespectful, and non-compliance. Okay? So, mo ni siya kung i-share sa inyo nga. If ever ganit one day, when you travel, just be kind and try to understand that what we were doing is for the safety of everybody. If it's not part of our job, do you think buhato na mo? Of course not. Why would I care? Why would I bother? But because we care and value, that's why we have to do it. Just be kind. It truly makes a difference to be kind. Thank you guys for listening. And I hope, girl, if you watch this video, you better comply. Okay? Because at the end of the day, bakit hindi? Lumalaban. Maurat akong machika sa inyo. Ay, nako. Daghang salamat.